In the heart of Sweden's endless pine forests, where silence speaks louder than words, a quiet revolution in living has emerged. Minimalist yet profoundly warm, remote yet intimately connected to nature, these modern forest cabins redefine tranquility. Join us as we step inside one of Sweden's most breathtaking hidden retreats, an architectural poem written in birch, glass, and black steel. This is not just a house. This is sanctuary.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
From the mossy path, she reveals herself like a sculpture born of the forest. Light Scandinavian birch glows against a dramatic black metal roof that slices through the canopy. Floor-to-ceiling glass catches the golden hour, mirroring ancient pines. Elevated on subtle stilts, the cabin floats above the earth, respectful, untouchable, perfectly alone. Step inside and the forest follows you. A cathedral of glass dissolves boundaries, pines stand like silent guests. A low linen sofa faces a monolithic stone fireplace whose flames dance across pale birch floors. Every line is deliberate, every shadow intentional. Here, minimalism doesn't feel empty, it feels infinite. Dawn slips through panoramic sliders and paints the room in liquid gold. A low birch bed, dressed in crisp white linen and soft wool, floats beneath the angled ceiling. Beyond the glass, mist clings to the treetops. This is not a bedroom, it is a private ceremony between sleep and wilderness. Sleek black granite meets warm birch in perfect opposition. A generous island commands the open space, framed by forest vistas on three sides. Matte black pendants hover like dark moons above hand-thrown ceramics. Cooking here is not a chore, it is quiet theater performed for an audience of pines. Ascend the sculptural staircase to the lofted refuge. A reading nook wrapped in birch benches overlooks the living room's void. Soft cushions invite you to sink in while the vaulted glass ceiling frames ever-changing skies. Up here, time slows, thoughts expand, the world feels beautifully distant. A freestanding porcelain tub sits like modern sculpture beneath a picture window. Steam rises, blurring the line between inside and out. Rain shower, black fixtures, pale wood, every detail curated for ritual. Bathing becomes communion with the forest's quiet breath. Gravel crunches softly underfoot as you approach. Native ferns and reindeer moss carpet the earth, a small fire pit waits beneath the stars. The cabin's warm façade glows against cool twilight blues. This is not landscaping, it is a gentle negotiation between architecture and untouched nature. Climb to the hidden rooftop terrace where the black roof transforms into a viewing deck. Lounge chairs face an ocean of treetops kissed by sunset. The cabin shrinks beneath you, revealing how delicately it touches the earth. Up here, you don't just see the forest, you belong to it. A sanctuary for the mind. A single birch desk faces an uninterrupted wall of glass, beyond, the forest performs its silent ballet. Ergonomic lines, muted light, absolute stillness. Creativity here is not forced, it is inevitable, drawn from the same quiet that surrounds the cabin. The deck spills from the living room into a private glade. A hammock sways between two pines, raised herb beds scent the air. A narrow path disappears into the green unknown. Here, the cabin doesn't end at its walls, it dissolves, graciously surrendering to the wild. This Swedish forest cabin is more than architecture, it is philosophy made manifest: less disturbance, more presence, less decoration, more meaning. In a world that never stops speaking, it offers the rarest gift: silence that feels like home. If tranquility had an address, it would be here, hidden among the pines, waiting patiently for those who understand that true elegance is the art of disappearance.